Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs uKaizer Motaung Junior bafethu uthe is hoping ukuthi ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs azo-represent i-Chiefs laphana ku-AFCON, nanokuthi bafuna ama-player amaningi a-represent-e iBafana Bafana. Kubalulekile for ama-player we-Chiefs ukuthi abe khona kuBafana Bafana. Uthe obvious bathe congratulations to ama-player abawa-selectile lawa awu-4, which is uThabiso Monyane, uCross, uPeterson, and then noMduduzi Shabalala. But-ke uthe uyazi ukuthi kusase-i-prelim squad sangempela next week bazosikhipha lapha no-Hugo Broos. Kuzobonakala ukuthi abafana they will make it to the last 23 or i-final 23 lezohamba iye laphana ku-AFCON. So kubaluleke ngani for i-Chiefs ukuthi ama-player abe ku-national team bafethu? Ukuthi i-image ye-team iyakhula, nanokuthi ethimini yakho if you have ama-player adlala for i-national team ukwazi ukuwathengisa ngemali engcono, uwa-price different ukuthi okay, this one is a national team asset, also nasethimini wenza kangcono, so it shows ukuthi nisayina iplayer le-serious and then i-team ithola i-spotlight of some sort. Asingeneni ku-World Cup. Ku-World Cup la badlali bonke abazoya ku-World Cup ama-teams wabo bazothola iy'mali from i-World Cup bafethu. Ama-millions, kuzokhishwa ama-millions. I-FIFA seyizokhipha manje ama-millions ukuthi when the players get selection or selected for ama-national teams wabo bazothola ama-allowance, bazothola imali yani iy'mali nje ezi-different from i-FIFA. So that means that i-FIFA izokhipha amagama wonke wama-team bafethu lama-player lawa azoba laphana ku-World Cup arepresentayo, and i-FIFA izokhipha ama-millions. Bheka nje ama-player adlala ku-PSL azoya ku-World Cup, ama-player we-Sundowns, ama-player we-Orlando Pirates, obvious some few players from overseas, but i-Sundowns ne-Mamelodi Sundowns iba bazobhenefitha kakhulu. So kubalulekile nama-player we-Chiefs ukuthi abe involved ne-national team ukuthi ukukhulisa i-profile yabo as individuals, ukukhulisa ne-profile yani ye-team. But Hugo Broos ekugcineni uzodecide. Ngifuna ukukhuluma futhi ngoThulani Touch Mabaso bafethu, bekhuluma ne-media umfana just before behamba laphana eNaturena bafethu. Uthe yena lo upositive, or mebuzwa mani ukuthi ufila kanjani ukuthi akekho laphana ku-first team, obviously iy'ntanga zakhe ziyadlala laphana ku-first team week in and week out. Wathi yena nje uyathandaza, ubhilivela kuNkulunkulu, usebenza kanzima laphana. Uthi upositive, uyasho ukuthi mayifika i-chance yakhe uzoyithatha i-chance yakhe, nanokuthi azibonakalise ukuthi why adeserve ukudlala laphana ku-national team. I'm paraphrasing, but he said something along these words bafethu, ukuthi ukhuluma ngokuthandaza, nanokuthi umndeni wakhe uyamsupport, uthi unenhlanhla kakhulu ukuba nabazali abamsupportayo kujeni yakhe yebhola. Umdlali lona une-confident. That is why when I think about let's say ama-2000, these young kids laba abadlalayo laphana ku-Chiefs, abo-McCarthy nabanye abo-Vilakazi, abo-Shabalala, you could see ukuthi their focus, aboDuba ba-different than abanye abantu because of bayabelieve ukuthi bona bangakwazi ukuyisiza nokuyiseva i-team. So mangibona uThulani Touch Mabasa ekhuluma le way akhuluma ngakhona, I saw ukuthi okay, umfana ngempela o-strong, une-support base e-right, e-sharp. Uthi unenhlanhla ngoba abazali bakhe ba-involve, and then uyakwazi ukubukela ama-matches, bawa-analyze. Futhi mekhuluma ngendaba yeKasi Football, because of iKasi Football abantu bayi-criticize kakhulu ukuthi no, iKasi Football uyakwazi ukuyihlanganisa ne-professional setup, but-ke as long wenza into e-progressive uya phambili, udlalela ini, ukuya phambili, so uyakwazi ukubhalansa ko-two. So yabo ushukela wakho ukulithinta walithinta ngakhona, plus uTouch kunokudlala or bedlala, ngazi ukuthi basazomvumela na ku-Chiefs manje ngoba sebamnike ne-first team contract ukuthi adlale laphana elokishini, but bedlala emagemini nje a-different koSoweto. Umfana wase-Netherlands lona bafethu exciting kakhulu. He has been one of the best players laphana ku-DDC team, uKaizer Chiefs, yena noNkwesa, Manqoba, ubani, uNeo Butlhoko, abadlali abadlala kahle kakhulu ku-Chiefs, sibafisela inhlanhla lena overseas. Then I think njengoba bengiqale ngeBafana Bafana ukuthi uKaizer Motaung ufuna noma ngathanda ukuthi abadlali abaningi baye kuBafana Bafana, ngifuna ukumention uThembi Nkosi Lorch bafethu, because abantu abaningi obviously-ke ba-frustrated and then bayazibuza ukuthi why uThembi Nkosi Lorch bangamselect laphana kuBafana Bafana. Into engizoyisho ukuthi nayi, this is what I got, Thembi Nkosi Lorch akadeserve ukuba kuBafana Bafana bafethu. If nami bengisey'cathulweni zocoach bengeke ngimselect uThembi Nkosi Lorch, never ngimselect. Ama-players lawa bewadlala nawo, because of I'm close to some of the players, I'm able to interact with them, and then I kept asking, senginabo ama-3 days ngiloyo ngibuza ukuthi what is wrong? Bathi i-attitude yomjida bafethu, uyinkinga loya muntu loyo, yabona. we are learning something from i-situation kaThembi Nkosi-Lorch ukuthi ungabi ne-attitude ebhedayo ufuna ukudivayida i-team. uHugo Broos umuze kuma-match interviews or kuma-conference wakhe uthi abanye ama-player makawaletha laphana ekhempini uthi ufuna ukubona ukuthi uzobehave kanjani around ama-player. uThembi Nkosi-Lorch udodi womuntu, even ama-players mina ngitshelwe i-player elidlale nayo uThembi Nkosi-Lorch ukuthi lo muntu oyi-problem, that is why engekho laphana ku-national team. Akekho ithalente, based on ithalente uyadeserve. If khona umuntu odeservayo ukuba kuThembi, based on just ithalente, uThembi Nkosi-Lorch uyadeserve ukuba ku-national team, but based on i-attitude yakhe ngeke ubhilde i-team around loya muntu lo. Uzibona ngathi uye mkhulu kunabantu bonke, kusho ukuthi akalawuleki, akekho umuntu ongamtshela izinto ezinjalo. There was a time la bekazibona njengoba bekayi-the face of Orlando Pirates, bekazibona ngathi bigger than everyone. It's not even about, and then I had to ask about ukuthi, oh, is it Dr. Ivan Khoza because of abantu bathini? But no, uHugo Broos makafuna iplayer uyalifuna iplayer, whether ukuthi abanye abantu bangazama uku-influencer, yes khona bangam-influencer lesiyabaxozi naye, but mebona umuntu o-right uyambiza ku-national team. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch uyadeserve ukuba ku-national team, but based on i-attitude yakhe udodi womuntu. Kubalulekile-ke bafowethu ukuphatha abantu kahle. Even some of the players abama-understand uThembi Nkosi-Lorch, abazwani naye. Maningi ama-player uThembi Nkosi-Lorch abangazwani naye. I remember this thing and I don't know bengiyithatha kuphi, because I started talking about it ukuthi, oh yeah, the first time nginothisa ukuthi bengizwa lento le kuma-player ngingayinaki ukuthi uRiele Mofokeng unenhlanhla ngoba uThembi Nkosi-Lorch wahamba ku-Pirates, because of if uthe uRiele Mofokeng uthanda uThembi Nkosi-Lorch, uThembi Nkosi-Lorch uyi-idol lakaRiele Mofokeng. uThembi Nkosi-Lorch bedivayida i-team phakathi ukuthi i-team ingazwani. That is why naku-Orlando Pirates babona ukuthi ayikho lento leya lo muntu lo. Even if bayafuna ukumgcina as one of the most important players eteamini, but they can't because of udodi womuntu bafowethu. And bekazocorrupta nobani, they had to protect uRiele Mofokeng. They saw a future, but no, this one, and no, they protected i-future, not just uRiele Mofokeng, ama-youngsters that are coming through. Because of, imagine you seeing i-idol lakho umuntu bombukele TV uThembi Nkosi-Lorch, umuntu wakora ku-AFCON, wanokha out i-Egypt bafowethu. I-Egypt wanokha out i-Egypt, niyamkhumbula? And then ufike ethimini udlala naye. Uye umuntu ombheki obukela kuye okumele abe yi-leader, but udodi womuntu. Ama-players bengeke progress, bengeke adlale kahle, i-team bengeke ibe in sync, basizane badlale ezi-team bafowethu bakwazi ukusizana, bengeke ngo-Lorch. Talente is one of the best in South Africa. Attitude udodi umuntu. I'm sorry to say this. I'm saying this, I keep repeating this because of ngimprotectile uLorch for so long, like ngisho ukuthi wayebangamselect amapolitiki whatever. No, indaba straight ukuthi uHugo Broos ngeke ayibeke phela ku-media ukuthi umuntu okanje wenza i-1 2 3 kanje nakanje nakanje, akhiphe zonke izinto because of uyacabanga ukuthi igama lomuntu at the end of the day ithi ngimprotect. And esikhona-ke izinto azenza uLorch, by the way, ezi-public engeke ngikhulume ngazo la, ukuletha la ngithi bhekani kanje nakanje nakanje. But if you guys can check, dig deep, it's not even deep, ziphambi kwamehlo wethu izinto uLorch azenza. But-ke mina akusi i-platform lokuthi ngikhiphe lezo zinto lezo ey'bhedayo zakaThembi Nkosi-Lorch. Yeah, kubalulekile ukuphatha abantu kahle, kubalulekile ukuhlonipha, kubalulekile i-respect bafowethu, show people respect. Ungaboni ngathi umkhulu kunabo bonke abantu wena, wazi kakhulu. Bheka manje i-situation, akekho umdlali emhlabeni ongafuni ukudlala i-World Cup. Akana-chance ukuthi aye ku-World Cup, akana-zero chance ukuthi aye ku-World Cup, akayi ku-AFCON, abambizi nakuma-friendly because bayazi ukuthi this one uzodestroya i-team as a whole. Ngicela ukuyibamba lana bafowethu. Sengikhulume kakhulu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi i-page isalikhulisa.